This is the W980 Walkman handset, 8GB internal memory on the handset. Okay, as you can see, it's a clamshell design, which is safe to say a little unusual for the Walkman phones. Obviously W300 and W380. Okay, and you can see in the handset that we've got this external display with touch sensitive buttons, which obviously allows you to control the music. So skip track, forward, pause, and then if you want to go through, you can actually just click up and go through the actual options through the handset itself. Okay. Volume controls on the side, and one thing you'll notice is that it's very clear because we've got stereo speakers either side on the handset. And something new, which for this handset, is that we actually have the FM transmitter built into the unit itself. So we just click on FM transmitter, choose frequency, and it'll broadcast on the FM frequency or whatever position you choose. So you can tune it into car stereos, home audio systems. And on top of that, one thing I want to show you using the external display is that we still can control other aspects of the handset. So we go through to obviously the main display, okay, and also the radio. And if we go into the radio, you can actually hear the radio because it has the antenna built in, so no need for an external hands-free to be plugged in to use it. So we just choose our frequency, and obviously we get very clear sound. So if we go back to our Walkman, there's a button on the side to let you control this, by the way. So go back into our Walkman. And obviously, as I mentioned, we have the light effects, which is introduced in the W850 across the line bar. You can turn this off if you don't like it, but it's very, very funky. So, no, obviously orange is the traditional Walkman colour, so that's why we use it. So, bringing you back inside the handset, obviously, just like with the W910, which was introduced with the W910, we do have the SenseMe music technology, which allows us basically to collate all of our music using the Media Manager software onto a grid. So fast, sad, slow and happy. So all your kind of music's died about. So then if you move this cursor, this orange ring represents a playlist. So if we wanted a particular type of music, we just highlight that area, okay, click add, and then click OK, which will automatically create a playlist using tempo and moods rather than doing it manually one by one. Okay, and obviously you can choose by genre and year, and it's also support for podcasting too. So if you're a subscriber to podcasting, you can have this on your handset as well. And not forgetting that this is one of the few W phones with a 3.2 megapixel camera as well. So it has a much higher quality for recording videos as well with MPEG-4.
But it does not have autofocus.
It has no autofocus or flash, obviously because it's dedicated to being a music player. But it still has a high quality snapper. So if you're at a festival or a gig, you might want to get out and take a couple of quick snaps of you and your friends having a good time.